I'm Ali.
I'm Jess.
We're gonna show you what to pack for Bivvy today. The main thing you want is a sleeping bag. We always say you take that out of the little bag the sleeping bags come in, so you can fit more stuff in, squish it into the corners. Get that down there. Next, I'm gonna take some pajamas. We're not animals. It's nice to have a little change for the night time. Speaking of changing, bring a change of clothes. You're going to be wet after the river. It's not going to be comfortable. Get changed when you get onto the Bivvy site. Stick those in there. Next, it's going to get dark. Probably about 9 o'clock. You're going to need a head torch. There's no electricity on Bivvy.
Yeah.
Jumper. A towel. We're going to get wet all day. So have a little towel to dry it off. Toothbrush and toothpaste.
Really important.
Yeah, nobody wants to smell your stinky breath in the morning. One thing people always forget, spare shoes. You're going to be in your shoes all day in the river. You're going to be in and out of your boat. Don't get trench foot. Bring a dry pair of shoes to walk around Bivvy site on. Okay, and most important, got sunglasses.
Two most important things.
Suncream.
Yeah.
And a water bottle. Those 3 things you want to keep in your boat, but we'll just pop them in here for now so we don't forget them. If your boat capsizes, all these things float, apart from your sunglasses, so bring some string. Yeah, so if you capsize, we'll grab those bits, so don't bother putting them in your bag. You want them on hand all day. Oh yeah, Mozzie spray.
Lots
Super
of books at Bivvy, so bring your insect repellent.
And hats. It's cool to bring a hat. You can't put them under your helmet if you don't have one of these, but I usually stick mine on my boat, so when we stop at lunchtime I don't get burnt because I'm pretty pale. Frying pan. We'll be cooking all your food. Don't worry about it. We can provide any equipment if you want to do anything yourself or cook anything. So that's it. That's your bag packed.